Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. The next thing I want to demonstrate for you, which is a great whole food, are some grains. We all should be incorporating more grains into our diet, but many of us don't know how to prepare grains. I'm going to show you an easy 1, 2, 3 way to prepare couscous. And when I buy my couscous, I look for organic whole wheat couscous, and this brand is very simple. You have a bowl. Take half a cup of your dry couscous, 3/4 of a cup of boiling hot water, a little salt, give it a quick stir, and I just put a plate right over it and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Some more ideas for grains that you can try. The most common one is brown rice. Everybody's eating brown rice. That's delicious. Much better for you than white rice because white rice has been processed. Anything white obviously has been processed. Quinoa, spelled with a Quinoa, is also a great grain that's very easy to prepare that you might want to try. And speaking of quinoa, another good idea is for your pasta. Many of you who are on a low carb or a no carb diet can try this as an alternative. It's wheat free and it's made from quinoa. It's very delicious, and that's a good alternative to regular pasta. So those are some ideas for grains.